The space race was a pivotal period in the history of space exploration, marked by competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. The space race was a direct result of the Cold War tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union. It was seen as a way to demonstrate ideological and technological superiority without direct military conflict. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite. This event marked the beginning of the space race and a significant moment in human history. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human in space on April 12, 1961, when he orbited the Earth aboard Vostok 1. This achievement made Gagarin an international hero. On May 5, 1961, American astronaut Alan Shepard became the first American in space when he completed a suborbital flight aboard the Freedom 7 spacecraft. The race to the moon was a central part of the space race. NASA's Apollo program, initiated in 1961, aimed to land humans on the moon before the end of the decade. This goal was achieved by the United States, with Apollo 11 in 1969. Contrary to popular belief, NASA did not spend millions of dollars developing a pen that could write in zero gravity while the Soviets used pencils. Both the US and Soviet space programs initially used pencils, but later adopted the space pen developed by a private company. On March 18, 1965, Soviet cosmonaut Alexei Leonov became the first person to conduct a spacewalk. He spent 12 minutes outside his Voskhod 2 spacecraft, tethered by a 5.35-meter, 17.6-foot, line. In 1975, during a period of détente in the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union collaborated on the Apollo-Soyuz test project. It involved the docking of an American Apollo spacecraft with a Soviet Soyuz spacecraft in orbit. The development of the Space Shuttle program by NASA marked a new phase in the space race. The Space Shuttle, with its reusable orbiter, allowed for regular missions to low Earth orbit. While not part of the original space race, the ISS is a symbol of international cooperation in space exploration. It is a joint project involving multiple countries, including the United States and Russia, and has been continuously inhabited since November 2000. These facts illustrate the historical significance and the fascinating developments that occurred during the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union.